As you walk through nature, what do you learn? There are so many things that you can learn. You can learn to move the things that are holding you down and keep moving forward. Hi, my friend. He's so sweet. Or she. Hello. Hi. Yeah, how are you? Hi, beautiful. Hi. How's everything? You rested? You're so precious. Hi. Pick it at Romans chapter 1, verses 20 and 21. Look at Jehovah's wonderful works. Everything's too wonderfully made to come about by chance. Tastes good? Yes. Enjoy. Adorable. Look at the two little baby birds.